Welcome to the Rome Actually YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Angela, a travel advisor, writer and itinerary designer. I mostly focus on Rome and Sardinia. If, like me, you too are tired of dull and fake AI-generated videos, images, content and even itineraries, here you are in the right place. Our videos are real, raw and authentic. A true picture of Italian life. Today, I'm taking you with me to our pasta making cooking class in Rome, in the heart of Trastevere. Rather than a boring cooking demo you will see, it will feel like a just fun Roman lunch party where you will learn precious skills and you will also make new friends. Let's go! The meeting point is in Piazza San Giovanni della Malva, in Trastevere, near the more famous Piazza Trilussa. The class runs for about 3 hours and the group is small, maximum 14 people. So you're not fighting for space or standing in the back. You can find the link for this tour in the description below. It starts in the best way possible, a welcome drink, prosecco, and a quick intro from the chefs. In our case, Roberto was leading it in English and he explained everything clearly without making it feel like school.
Salve, salve ragazzi. What's your name? I love your name. Where are you from? And what is your Italian favorite food?
Favorite Italian dish? I really don't know. Many from Sardinia. Fregola from
Fregola. Mamma mia. Do you know fregola? Fregola is like more or less couscous, a little bit bigger than couscous.
Then you jump straight into it. You start with the basics, flour and eggs, mixing and kneading until the dough actually feels right. And yes, they guide you step by step. It's the kind of thing you think you know, until you do it properly once, with someone correcting the texture and the technique. While the dough rests, you move on to classic Roman sauces from scratch. One of them uses guanciale, pork cheek, and you immediately get why Roman pasta taste is different. The smell alone is intoxicating. The other sauce is simpler, tomato and basil style. Clean, traditional, and honestly, the perfect contrast. After that, you make ravioli from zero, rolling the dough, adding the filling, sealing it properly so it doesn't open when it cooks. Then you cut your long pasta. Think fettuccine tagliatelle style ribbons. And this is the moment where it hits you. You're not just doing an activity, you actually made pasta with your own hands in Rome. They also do gelato making demo, depending on the day or season. And then you get to taste it, which is a nice bonus after all the pasta work. And then the best part. You all sit together and eat family style. Handmade pasta, sauces you cooked, wine on the table, and a fun mix of people from all over the world. It's honestly one of those experiences where you leave feeling like you made new friends. So who is this for? If you're a food lover, a couple, or even a solo traveler, it works great. The small group makes it easy to talk to people. And the best part? You don't need cooking experience at all. Now a couple of practical notes. They can adapt for vegetarians, and they usually have non-alcoholic options if you don't drink. But if you are gluten-free, this is probably not the best fit because the whole experience is built around classic pasta. Bottom line, if you want something social, delicious and properly hands-on, this cooking class is 100% worth it. On top of that, if it's raining or it's too hot outside, it's perfect because it's indoor and they have air conditioning. You don't just eat pasta in Rome, you learn to make it and take that skill home with you. If you want more Rome travel tips and real experiences like this one, throw me a thumbs up so I know which videos to make next, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. One more thing before I sign off. If you're traveling to Rome and you need some personalized experience, I'm leaving in the description below the link to my customized and tailored Rome itineraries so that you can have the trip of your dreams. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Ciao!